Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to naturally support your body's creatine levels. We'll explore dietary strategies and lifestyle choices that can help optimize your body's natural creatine production. Understanding these methods can empower you to enhance your energy and muscle function effectively. This guide focuses on safe, food-based approaches to boost your body's natural processes. To support natural creatine production, focus on foods rich in its precursor amino acids, arginine, glycine, and methionine. Red meat and fish like salmon or tuna are excellent sources, providing both creatine and its building blocks. Poultry, dairy products, and eggs also contribute valuable amino acids. Incorporating legumes, nuts, and seeds into your diet further supports this process, offering a diverse range of nutrients. Optimizing your diet involves more than just specific foods. It's about balance and consistency. Aim for meals that combine various protein sources to ensure a full spectrum of amino acids. Distribute your protein intake evenly across the day to provide a steady supply for your body's needs. Adequate hydration is also vital, as water plays a key role in all metabolic functions, including creatine synthesis. A well-rounded diet supports overall wellness. Beyond diet, lifestyle factors significantly influence your body's natural creatine levels. Regular physical activity, especially strength training, can enhance how your muscles use creatine. Ensuring you get adequate sleep is crucial for hormone regulation and recovery, both impacting metabolic processes. Managing stress also contributes to overall health and efficient bodily functions. Always consider consulting a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary and lifestyle guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.